I'm Seth Grenell from Grenell's Driving School, and today we want to speak about what is the #1 contributing factor to road fatalities. That would be speeding. The faster we drive, the more likely we are to die once we're involved in a crash or collision. We have all heard the term, speed kills, kill your speed. What we want to do is to ensure that when we're driving, that we don't drive at a speed where we can't control our vehicle. To put it differently, the vehicle is now in control over what we are doing. Once we are on the road, we should always try to ensure that we drive at the posted speed limit and ensure that the conditions that exist within us, the driver, our vehicle, and the existing conditions like the road surface, the weather, light, we drive to ensure that we adhere to these conditions so that we don't lose control of our vehicle. Now, there are road signs posted on most roads in our areas, and we need to ensure that we follow what these road signs are suggesting we do. For example, there's one behind me that is a caution left bend road sign. We should ensure that we drop our speed or cut our speed so that we can maneuver the bend safely. One of the things I would like us to leave with here is that we ensure we realize we don't race on our roadways. Once we race, then we will be speeding, and excess speed would lead to a likely increase in a collision and crash. We don't want anyone's body to be maimed, disfigured, or worse, family and loved ones have to start making funeral arrangements. Our aim is that we leave from one location safely and we arrive safely. So leave the speeding for the video games or Dover, and ensure that on our roadways we ensure that we drive at a speed that is not only governed by the posted speed limit of the land, but that we can control our vehicle.